Alright boys and girls, welcome back to another moto vlog. We are heading to, well first we're heading to Tongham Services to go meet a couple of the boys from the Portsmouth ride with the MT-07 crash. So we're meeting up with H and J. We're then going to head, we were going to go Cheddar Gorge, but the boys changed their mind because of Glastonbury. Everyone's leaving, so traffic's going to be shite. So we're now going to the New Forest. I've got my camera with me to learn how to take pictures, so it'll be more like Easy Rides. Easy Rides isn't coming. He's actually on a track day, I believe, with his dad. So good luck to him, mate, because it is going to be 33 degrees today, apparently. I told H I'll be there at 7:30, he's saying 7:46. So you never know. With a little bit of editing and AI, I might be able to get there a little bit quicker. But I've got my new Knox Urbane Pro Mark III on, courtesy of the missus for my birthday. And I also got, I'll put a picture up, it's called ZeroFit. It's like an ice layer, so it's like all ventilated at the back. It's like sweat resistance, heat resistance, some crap like that. I think MotoGP riders wear it. I think Glenn Dennis, don't know who he is because I don't follow MotoGP. Believe it or not boys, I'm not actually even really into bikes or bikers or bike shows. I literally just watch YouTube and ride a bike. I don't actually do the typical things like, you know, if you're into cars, you watch Formula 1 and you like, you know, you hate or love Lewis Hamilton. There's like, that's not me. I just don't do any of it, to be honest. So we are gonna go cut up some traffic and hopefully get there a lot quicker than expected. So boys, I don't know if you noticed, I'm actually doing a lot more shoulder checks. I should have been doing that for the first place, right? And I was to begin with. But then when I started getting a bit more confident, I stopped. Not like always, but I just stopped a little bit. And you know the guy that actually noticed? No one else has commented it on my YouTube. And I don't mind if you guys do criticize me, right? Like that's the whole point, yeah? You're gonna make me a better rider and save my life. But Gringo Moto Vlogs, who I've been watching for, I don't know, since he had like the ZX6R, I think. I might not have watched it when it came out, I think I watched it a couple months later. But I used to watch him a long time ago, back when I had cars. I don't know how or why I got to his channel, but I did. And also I've started not watching him again. I was watching his Brazil vlogs and then he stopped for a little bit and then he's back in the UK now. He actually inboxed me and said, like, I don't want to be that guy, but you're not shoulder checking like enough when you're cutting up traffic and stuff, like, you know, just be wary of it basically. Which again boys, if you want to comment in the comments saying I've done this wrong or I've done that wrong, like go ahead, I might give you a bit of sass, I can't lie. But we all do a little bit of silly things now and then, not always. Like my last vlog, the hooligan vlog, like I'll be honest, that was a bit more peer pressure than anything, and it is ride your own ride. And to a degree, I did ride my own ride, and maybe like 5% didn't, and pushed myself a little bit, and got a little bit carried away. It was showing off, and I ain't one to hide away from that. Like, we all show off, yeah? Like, you might see a cool group of guys that think, fuck it, I'm gonna do a wheelie in front of them, because you want to look cool, yeah? Like, that's the whole point. You own a bike, you want to look cool. Whatever. But yeah, so I'm trying to reel it in a bit, and also it's not good like it is good content, don't get me wrong, but it's not YouTube monetization worthy. But yeah, and as well, like I want to do, like I said before, like more of the install modification videos. They're just things that are actually going to last long term, because realistically you can't do hooligan content forever. You will, this ain't America, you know, you're not Fast Lane D, like, and all those people, like they get away with it somehow. Or they don't tell you that they don't get away with it. So I am going to change the way my channel goes, do more series. Never know, maybe Gringo Moto Vlogs will do a collab with me where he teaches me how to wheelie the 09 down the strip. But I'll have to ask him. And I'm worried about now smashing the bike up now. It's got the new engine and stuff, and I'm going to have new fairing soon, so I do want to learn how to at least power wheelie properly. Just for the content, you know. I don't care about Banner's Point, I don't want to stunt. Alright boys, we have arrived. I need to get fuel. Of course, get like 80 miles to a fucking tank. Alright boys, go pay for our fuel, go jump with the boys, and then we're gonna head to New Forest. So we got 2 Honda Blackbirds, Mr. CBR himself. Oh, we are heading to Milford-on-Sea to begin with. These lot probably all gonna open up in a second. This is father and son duo, by the way. Double Blackbirds, double bionic armour, baggy tee. What the fuck? Oh, it is an Aero, to be fair. Don't know if you noticed, boys, but perfect formation on this ride. I'm getting the hang of it, alright? When you actually ride in formation in the group, not like hooligans. And I've got my legs up on my crash bungs. That's how you keep your ball bag cool. As you keep nice and cool in this weather. Gonna stop off now, grab a drink and a little bite to eat. Because all I've had so far is about a litre's worth of water and... oh, tell a lie. Yeah, I've had a litre's worth of water and like a protein carb shake. Like I use Trained by JP vegan protein, and then I use Trained by JP cream of rice. That's like 1,000 calories. So I'm a liar. So don't listen to me. Oh, I like this service. This is alright here. Alright guys, so we are now leaving to go to Milford-on-Sea. Nice little pit stop, little bottle of water. Got to keep your hydration up, especially when you're wearing a helmet, because you're going to sweat like 10 times more, especially when it's like 33 degrees. Should be a little bit cooler down there though. I think it's like 25, so... don't know if you boys can hear that quick shifter, but those bangs are lovely on the gear changes. Absolutely lovely. Video install of that will be coming soon. I'm still just reviewing the unit to make sure it's worthy to go on the channel. Should, boys, be able to get some nice photos today. This is like a really nice area, New Forest. So hopefully get some nice photos for the gram, maybe a couple of videos. to it, boys. Tell you what, guys, this jacket and that zero skin ice layer, oof, this is nice. The wind is nice anyway, but it feels good. I don't feel sweaty yet, which is nice. You going to the Shell? You going to the petrol? I need to go piss. I need a piss bad. Right, boys, we're here. I don't think it's Milford on Sea, it's Mudford on Sea, no? I don't know, maybe, who knows? We are heading to a cafe now, which has, I think there's like an old school bike meet going on. So we'll go check that out, get some breakfast. I'm starving. That's it, boys, the world famous motorcycle museum. That's where we're going. Boys, go get some breakfast. Right, so nice bit of breakfast, boys. Now we're going into the New Forest for a ride. Just put new battery in, so I shall resume when we enter. Now we are in the New Forest. So some of you watching don't know what the New Forest is. It's basically just like a big national park with roads going all the way through it. And there's like cows, donkeys, horses, all just roaming free. You can have a bit of nice riding around. There's a couple of twisties and stuff like that. It's very nice and open. There's like an abandoned cattle ranch or something here as well, or stables, and like it'd be good for like a couple of photos. Doesn't mean there's no speed limits though. There is a speed limit. It's 140 miles per hour. This is where the roads open up now, boys. Nice big open roads. This is what I'm talking about, boys. Just wild horses. And you can't touch them. Honestly, I can't get, boys, I can't get over how nice it is. Big tall trees, nice roads, just greenery, man, just nature. It's just fucking nature. I love it. Be sick if you could have the bike in the middle of the road with the big trees in the background and take a nice photo. That would be amazing. Probably take some photos or something and chill. Oh, there's a cafe. Right boys, we are heading home now. Say home. His chain's a little bit loose. He put a new chain on it and it's now loosened up a bit. Or his back wheels moved forward, I'm not sure. But he's got a bit too much slack in his chain, so I think he's going to take it easy. It's early for me though, that's nice, because I can chill for the rest of the day, maybe go gym. This is a really nice area to come to, boys. Like, just chuck the bike like everywhere. I hope you boys could hear that. He got a new exhaust and it actually sounds nice. We thought it sounded really quiet, but I just don't think he's given it the beans properly. And as well, I think when they come brand new, like, there's obviously like stuff inside that needs a bit of clearing out, like the, like, not oil, it's like, you know, like factory grease shit, I don't know. I feel like they need to like burn in a bit, innit? Like, they're so fresh. That sounds nice. Oh, this is where we all part ways. These lot are going back to their town. I'm going back to mine, which is like 40-45 minutes away from here. But yeah, good little day out. I won't end the vlog here. We'll see what we get up to on the way home. You never know, I might end up going out somewhere else because I'm off all week and I'm not seeing my missus today, so I might as well do something. That, or I'll go home and edit videos. That's probably what I'll end up doing, because it's very hot in this area. This area is like 30, 33, but down by the coast is like 25. Right guys, like that, honestly, I don't think I want to go out any longer today, unless I'm at the coast, but I'm not running all the way back down the coast. I think we'll call that a video, to be honest. I feel like when I meet these boys, I'm going to always be ending a video just about here. Hopefully I'll be more consistent now the bike's back. Get some videos out once to possibly twice a week, hopefully, but we shall see. I won't promise anything, but hopefully definitely once a week. I don't know which day yet. I don't know which day does better for me, because obviously I want to make sure that I'm getting views and people are engaging with my content, but I just need to find which days do the best and which ones most people watch me on. If you guys like the video, leave a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.